Public Service, County Administration, Public Participation, and Office of the Governor, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera. The votes are as follows: yes 24, no 43, abstain 1, spirit 1. Honorable members, Section 40, Section 6 of the County Government Act states that if a resolution under subsection 5B is supported, that the members in the Assembly, the Speaker of the County Assembly shall promptly deliver the resolution to the Governor, and the Governor shall dismiss the County Executive Committee member. I need to read it. Members of the County Assembly of Kisii on the removal from office of the County Executive Committee member, CECM, Public Service, County Administration, Public Participation, and Office of the Governor, Dr. Alfred Ndemo Ongera stands not removed from office. The resolution